Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's try this delicious strawberry mousse cake. So easy to make and so tasty. Start with a bowl and add in 50 grams of corn flour and 25 grams of milk powder. Then mix it up with 250 millilitres of milk. Now we're going to pour that mixture through a sieve into a new bowl, just to remove any little lumps. Next, heat that on the stove and add in 60 grams of sugar. Mix until dissolved. Then pour in 50 millilitres of heavy cream. Then 65 grams of white chocolate melts into that. And 125 grams of strawberry puree. Yum! 1 teaspoon of strawberry extract as well. Pour that into your container. Give it a tap. And refrigerate for 6 hours. Once it's set, just remove it from the container and sprinkle on some milk powder. There you go, ready to serve. Absolutely wonderful. Slice and enjoy. Perfect for a summer afternoon in the garden. So, why not try making this amazing strawberry mousse cake? Yum!